Hi everyone, I'm Sarah from Ostem. You're joining us on Nikhil Oberai's surgical training programme. It's 2 days of amazing lectures. We had a live surgery yesterday, we're on day 2 today, and we've got a hands-on session running later on this afternoon.
My name is Gert van Zyl. I'm an implant dentist. My Ostem rep Sarah, she's amazing, and she texted me via WhatsApp and said, "Hey Gert, I think this is a good course for you to come on." I can certainly recommend this course. It's totally hands-on. We're a small group of people. The expertise of Dr. Nikki is world-class. It's super efficient in his techniques, and what I've learned from that is so valuable.
My name is Sachin. I came to this course to learn more about same-day implants and loading the implants on immediately. It's a very informative course, very well organized. They've looked after us really well, and Nikhil, as always, is very informative and skilled in his techniques and his approach. So I've really enjoyed it, and I've taken a lot on board, and hopefully I can use all the things I've learned and start doing immediate loading from day one. Really recommend for people to come in and do this course and improve their skills. Yesterday Nikhil did a live surgery, very efficient, very good, and it was nice to see the integration between the lab technician and the dentist, how they can work hand in hand and deliver the best results for the patient.
I'm Pilar Fukushima, here enjoying the full art course with Nikhil. It has been a wonderful day with a live surgery that was absolutely neat. Nick has amazing energy and is very motivational. I have taken so much from this course, and I feel like I could be very confident to start doing full arches on my own after watching him work, and I would really recommend it to anybody who is trying to step up and do good quality full arches work. I will definitely recommend this course to anyone who is trying to step up and do full arch dentistry.
My name is Jamie Pugh. I'm a dental practitioner from South Wales, and I decided to attend Nikhil's course because I'd started doing some full arch work and decided that there was more I needed to learn. I needed to learn more about the details, and I'd heard about Nikhil's reputation for full arch work, so I've come up here to Manchester to attend the course. The last 2 days has been quite an eye-opener for me. It's been good to learn about some of the principles to help me with the work rather than just following protocols, and the little fine details that Nikhil goes into I think are going to be really helpful in improving my full arch work from here on. The live hands-on case was really interesting to see how efficient it was, how well it was done, and to see such a good end result. But I learned so much from being able to stand beside someone who's so experienced in full arch work, and to see how it's done expertly by someone who's done so many. So I've done 2 actually with a mentor in the past, but this is really going to raise the game for me now. I thoroughly recommend this course to anyone who's either starting off in full arch or thinking of doing full arch or just wants to improve their full arch work, because I've learned so much from watching it being done by someone who's been doing it for about 15 years and has experienced all the different techniques, all the good parts, the highs and lows. So you get to learn and stand on the shoulders of giants, so to speak. Yeah, so my expectations of the course were to sort of learn a little more about full arch and some of the details, but my expectations have been thoroughly met and more, because obviously Nikhil's experience in full arch means that he's come across all the problems that there can be, even ones I haven't experienced myself yet, and has prepared me thoroughly for that. So I've really enjoyed it. It's met all expectations.
My name is Marvin. I found out about this course via Sarah, our Ostem rep, and I do single implants, multiple implants. I'm wanting to start doing full arch surgery. And Nikhil was very good. He's very approachable, and I feel a lot more confident having those conversations with my patients and explaining to them the workflow. And I still feel a bit nervous, but Nick said he's going to come in and support me throughout my first case, and hopefully this is going to be a start of a journey from me. The other thing I liked about the course is how efficient Nick has showed us how efficient he is to go from A to B, and I think that is something that, as a small practice, we try to be efficient, and I think that is something that I've learned from Nick as well. The video is too short to describe everything that I've learned, but yeah, I would highly recommend this course.
Hi, my name is Vikar Ashraf. I'm here to attend full arch dental implant treatment course. I decided to attend this course because I want to upskill my existing dental implant skills for providing this kind of treatment to my patients. We had a good day yesterday where we had an initial presentation, and then it was followed by a live patient surgery techniques. I feel very confident after attending this course. Nikhil explained the case in advance, very positive about what we have learned here today. I would recommend this course for anybody who is looking to upskill in this area of full arch implant treatment.